Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about teaching operational sense in grade 2, part 3 of lesson 10. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you will find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. Now, let's proceed to teaching operational sense in grade 2. In my presentation, I wrote all my examples and my discussion in the PowerPoint presentation. So my discussion is more wordy. Okay? But anyway, let's proceed now to the discussion. These are now the characteristics of students learning in general, students in grade 2. So, ito yung mga characteristics nila, or these are the attributes of the students when they entered grade 2. They already understand the four basic operation of whole number and represent those using visual and concrete objects, are able to use a range of flexible strategies to solve double-digit addition and subtraction problems, although they may have difficulty in recording such strategies. In using standard algorithms, they may have difficulty with regrouping across zeros. Begin to use a range of non-count by one strategies. Strategies other than counting all the objects are one by one. For example, using commutatively making doubles, using compensation, using known facts, using doubles, making tens, counting up from, counting up to counting down from. Although these strategies may not yet be fully consolidated, particularly with regard to larger numbers. In a subtraction question, such as 10 minus 3, students are able to count down from 10, keeping track of the 3 backwards counts. In the case of missing addends, they may misinterpret symbols. Example, for 7 plus blank equals 8 may given the missing addend incorrectly as 15. Develop initial multiplication and division knowledge related to making equal groups, making equal shares, combining equal groups, sharing equal and finding the number in one share, making an array, or determining how many dots are in an array. Now, what will be the instructional strategies that we can use in order to help students in the grade 2? Providing meaningful experiences are good enough, with numbers, number lines and 100 charts, experiences in which they use movements and patterns on the lines and charts to represent addition and subtraction questions, providing opportunities to identify subtraction as both a counting up procedure, example, solving 15 minus 11 by counting up from 11, and a counting down procedure. Counting up is easier for some students. Providing opportunities to use both vertical and horizontal formats for addition and subtraction so that students rely on their own mental strategies and not just on the formal algorithms, having them use a calculator to make predictions and to self-correct as they work with operations. Supporting them in identifying, developing, and describing mental strategies for solving addition and subtraction problems. Example, using known facts, using doubles. Providing opportunities to develop their own algorithms and to use algorithms flexibly. With experience, students are able to construct and understand their own algorithms for solving problems that require adding and subtracting two-digit numbers and to justify and explain their methods. For example, in response to a problem that involves adding the number 55 and 69, their method may be following. I added 50 and 50 to get 100, then added the extra 10 from the 60 to get 110. Then I added another 10, then another 10, the 9 plus 1 from the 5 to get 120, and then I added on the leftover 4 to get 124. As long as the student can justify and explain their methods, they should be allowed to use them. These original algorithms, although they may be longer, help students to develop good number sense, which they can apply later to more formal algorithms. Moreover, students who develop their own algorithms are much more likely to make sense of a formal algorithm and are able to compare methods and see what or which method is more efficient. And that's the end of our discussion about teaching operational sense in grade 2. With that, thank you very much for listening. And our next topic is all about teaching operational sense in grade 3 for the next video. With that, thank you and good day.